Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, April the 28th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary at time, and this one will be number 6350. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. Well, this one, another shock, 32 printed digits. Well, publisher again over the 30 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. And it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. 1 2 3 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, between two 1's comes in O, double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two 1's comes in O, between two 1's comes in O, double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's, double 1 here, no, there, no, double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no, there, no, double 1 here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two 1's comes an O, and between two 1's comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. No fun, too quick to solve, yes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.